Welcome to Click for IB Biology. This playlist comes under the title of Chemical Signaling. Note that this is a higher level biology subject only. This video is concerned with the concept of signal transduction. There's a blank PDF of this presentation that's connected down below in the description. You can download that and annotate with your own notes. And then when you've done that, why not take the 10-question quiz and check out your understanding with the answers which are there as well. So let's take a look at signal transduction. So signal transduction is the idea that two cells will communicate with each other using chemical signals. These signals are known as ligands, and in broad terms we can divide the transduction into two categories. There are those ligands which interact with cell membrane receptors, and then there are those ligands which interact with receptors which are intracellular. There are a wide variety of molecules which perform this role as a ligand, as a chemical signal, and I've listed those here. In broad terms, it is the case that the steroids tend to fall into this category on the right-hand side, interacting with intracellular receptors, whereas the other ones, amino acids, amines, peptides, and proteins, they tend to interact with cell membrane receptors. And so one cell will communicate with another cell, and the transduction, the chemical signal, the transduction which occurs is a response, an internal response from the cell. As we go through this playlist, we're going to take a look at where unicellular bacterial cells here are going to use this chemical signaling, the signal transduction, in what is called quorum signaling in the production of bioluminescence in the species of bacteria known as Aliivibrio fischeri. Students should note that this name has recently been reclassified and previously was just known as Vibrio fischeri. So that's a bacterial population signaling mechanism. And then for multicellular organisms, we'll take a look at where the signal acts at a local basis over a short distance. And for that one, we'll illustrate this with reference to acetylcholine in neurotransmitters. That's the signal which takes place between a motor neuron and a muscle cell. And then we'll go on to look at a number of signaling examples over a distance within the body. These are generally the hormones produced in endocrine glands, traveling through the blood and having their effect on the target tissues. And then we'll conclude in the playlist by looking at examples of positive and negative feedback. So that will be our playlist called Chemical Signaling, which, as a reminder, is a higher level topic only. And so here's our link to the quorum signaling example, a chance to subscribe to the channel should you wish, and the entire playlist for your convenience on the right hand side there.